Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland, Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucil's Hive.
So this was like a very old power plant, but they don't use it anymore. Okay. They used to have a turbine. We see on the very far side, that building there. But it wasn't very efficient. So they don't use it anymore. That's an indoor water.
Okay, Niagara Falls is the widest. The widest, yeah. The most. Yeah, there you go.
The tourist area near the falls includes observation towers, high-rise hotels, souvenir shops, museums, indoor water parks, casinos, and theaters, mostly with colorful neon billboards and advertisements. Other parts of the city include golf courses, parks, and historic sites.
They're here. That's for made a mess.
I want to go on the zip line. That'd be fun.
Niagara Falls is a city in Ontario, Canada. It is on the western bank of the Niagara River in the Golden Horseshoe region of southern Ontario, with a population of 88,071 at the 2016 census. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara Gorge, spanning the border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. The largest of the 3 is Horseshoe Falls, which straddles the international border of the 2 countries. It is also known as the Canadian Falls. The smaller American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls lie within the United States. Bridal Veil Falls is separated from Horseshoe Falls by Goat Island, and from American Falls by Luna Island, with both islands situated in New York. Horseshoe Falls is the most powerful waterfall in North America, as measured by flow rate. Niagara Falls is famed for its beauty and is a valuable source of hydroelectric power. Balancing recreational, commercial, and industrial uses has been a challenge for the stewards of the falls since the 19th century. And you can enjoy the many touristic places that many go just around Niagara Falls. You just need to purchase a bus ticket pass for the whole day, ride to fun. This state-of-the-art bus system connects accommodations and tourism attractions throughout the city of Niagara Falls. and Niagara Parks, all bus lines meet at Table Rock, the main transfer hub to the Green Line that runs through Niagara Parks. Use your mobile device to locate your bus and get estimated arrival times.
Oh, sorry.
With them, through the ones that this person's on the other side.
You want us to wait you here?
I don't know. Pretty sure I got.
Huh?
I gotta pee. E você cai lá embaixo, entendeu?
Tôi thấy rất là màu mà nó giá trị
Oh, sorry. Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
We gotta be down there. 1:30 or 2.
Okay.
Just don't know how to get down there.
Bibili nga si Jeff ng ticket dun ah.
Natitigil ang bus.
Ha?
Natitigil ang bus.
May iba pang pupuntahan na titigilan ng bus.
Goes from up there.
Not call Dad now, where are they? Oh, sorry. I didn't see.